Botswana and Ethiopia would cement their strong bilateral ties. In an exclusive interview with the Ethiopian news agency, Botswana's ambassador to Ethiopia, Tebelelo Boang, described the relationship between the two countries.
The Republic of Botswana and the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia have always enjoyed excellent diplomatic relations, since the establishment of such relations between the two countries. We are people who share common values, for instance, in respect for the rule of law, commitment to African unity, and of course, we believe that between our two countries, there is still a lot more that can be gained. For instance, we are currently working on a memorandum of understanding in cooperation in the field of agriculture with our excellent relations with Ethiopia, and Ethiopia also being a country that does very well in agriculture. We believe we can do ourselves a huge favor by cooperating in this field.
Rooted in shared values such as respect for the rule of law, African unity, and multilateralism. Botswana, widely recognized for its high-quality beef and veterinary services, sees strong potential in working with Ethiopia.
We are two countries, let's say it, that firmly believe in a rule-based multilateral system. Currently, we are both members of the African Union Peace and Security Council, and we are keen in promoting regional peace and stability. You are well aware, and we commend the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia for all the efforts that it has put in and played, especially when you look at the issue of peacekeeping, providing peacekeepers. Just you look at to your neighbor in Somalia. Ethiopia is one of the troop contributing countries, and this certainly contributes a lot in bringing peace and stability to Africa. And we are grateful for the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia in doing this. And as well, we are, as I said, we are fellow members of the African Union Peace and Security Council, and we are committed to advancing the agenda of peace and security and silencing the guns in Africa.